Hello, we are team number 8. Myself Jeet Patni, she is Anjali Singhal and he is Kaustubh Keskar. Our project is Firefighter, in which we are going to simulate the fire and also extinguish the fire. So here we can see a white line grid where the Spark 5 bots are kept. These Spark 5 bots are used to simulate the fire. So there will be fire on one Spark 5. With the time it will spread, and this Firebird 5 is used as a firefighter. So this will go to the each Spark 5 bot. The Spark 5 bot will detect the presence of Firebird using IR sensors, and it will extinguish the fire. Now once the fire has extinguished, it can again come from some of its neighbors. So now we will start with the demo. So now we will see the demo. The fire will started on this bot. The firefighter has received the signal through its Zigbee communication, and now firefighter is on its way to extinguish the fire. Now it will come to this bot. It has detected its presence using IR sensor, and you can see on the LCD that it has displayed no fire. Now the fire has spreaded on this bot. The firefighter is going to that bot, and he says it has extinguished the fire on this bot. So using this, the main aim of this is now the fire has came to an end. So now there is no longer fire, so the firefighter has stopped moving. So the main challenge is the way it was designed is that when a fire starts, it initiates the fire using the packets, and the initiation message goes to the firefighter. The firefighter records the node ID from which it has got the fire, and it puts into the queue, and it finds the nearest node which is on fire from the queue and goes to that node, stays there for a second, extinguishes the fire and moves back. And by that time, if the fire spreads, the nodes are queued, and it will stop moving when the fire ends. Now when the fire started, if the GSM modem is connected with the firefighter, it will send an SMS to indicate that fire has started to an authority. So the way we have showed is the configure the topology of these 4 nodes. So in this topology we showed this node is neighbor of this node but not of this node. That is the reason why the fire spreaded from this node to this node and not here. Now the neighbor of this node we have kept as this node, but before the fire spreads, the firefighter reached there and extinguished the fire. So the fire didn't spread it over here. But we can also show that the fires can together spread on multiple nodes at one time, and everything is configurable using the Zigbee radio connected with a computer. So we can change the topology on the fly using this Zigbee radio. We need not modify the code. That is how the topology and programs are designed. So here we can see what is displayed on the LCD when the fire starts. When fire starts, it is displaying fire one time. So with the time it will increase, and it will show it 2 times, which is increased. Now after few seconds it will increase to up to 3 fires, and it will spread when the 3 fires are displayed. Now when a firefighter comes in front of it, the no fire will be displayed, and this no fire indicates that there is no fire, the fire is no longer on there. If again the fire starts, it will again start from the displaying the fire. Thank you.